Fucking crazy with this up hills. But now it's just down for now. Well, this week. For now it's raining. Most probably with crazy chemicals. So fucking instead of letting the the house kind of open to get in, make that a bit more difficult for other people like me in need of a refugee right now because of the rain. It's crazy, but I will survive. It's so amazing just to listen the rain. You don't really hear much things here. The airplanes. So it would be nice now. Airplane. How the fuck you call that? What you sit on it by yourself? Deltaplan airplane. I don't know. It's not an airplane, but it's something with wings where you can just fly away and keep flying and. Just like this, the little storm has gone. And finito. No más. No más, no fuss. Well, that's just super nice.